guys, welcome back to my vlogs. I just got done with my morning meditation. This is where I did it, and I feel quite nice. Still I'm on my period, so this one's also gonna be a talking video. Well, I did do like a few stretches, not a few stretches, I did like 2 stretches after I got done with my chanting. First was to just simply do a spinal twist like this, because I'd been sitting for 30 minutes and my back became a little stiff. And the second, because I was sitting for 30 minutes, my legs became stiff also, so I did a normal forward bend. That's all I did. And I did my chanting silently, of course, you guys know that. And the chanting was quite nice. I feel very, very good. I really don't feel like talking so much right now, but I'll still let you guys know what the chanting is like. It was quite silent. It was silent. It was quite quiet in my head. I feel a lot better. For the last 2-3 days, I have been really spending too much time with a screen, with my laptop screen and my phone screen. And I feel like it's such a universe thing that has happened, because I just started adopting, like I have just adopted this habit. It's just now like become a fixed habit of mine that I don't look at my phone first thing in the morning. And since I've started uploading these vlogs, I have to be in front of a screen the entire day, apart from the time when I'm doing my yoga and my meditation practice, because for all of my classes I have to be in front of a laptop, and then to edit the videos I have to be in front of the laptop, and I'm trying to upload every day. So that's a lot of editing. I sat down for 4-5 hours straight yesterday, and I think I am on the same page as so many of you guys now, because everything's online and everyone's work is online. But really, oh god, spending so much time in front of a screen messes with my head so much. Yesterday at night, I was feeling so tired. I have not felt this tired in such a long time. I used to spend a lot of time with screens as a child. Like, I got a laptop pretty early on. I got a laptop before I got a phone, and that contributes to my doing research for time pass habits. But yeah, so I used to do that a lot earlier. I used to stay up late at night, sneak from my parents and be on my laptop doing shit. And I've come a long way from that time, and I enjoy the finer things in life more now, like sitting in the sun like this right now, or just like breathing and just like being. And now, what I was telling about the universe thing, that this habit has just now become a solidified habit, and the time has come where I have to spend half of my day without a screen and the other half like completely immersed in it. And I feel like the universe was preparing me for it by giving me these thoughts that, girl, you should spend the first half of your day away from your phone. So yeah, that's that. And I really don't feel like talking much. I feel very good because of the meditation this morning, and I think I'll keep the phone away again for a while before I start editing again. I'll do a nice chumpy in the sun today. I got a new hair oil. Wait, I think I'll show you guys. So I got this hair oil, and I'm very excited to do chumpy with it. And I think the first half of today is going to look like that. I'm going to sit in the sun, do some chumpy and relax, and then like freshen up and go back to my screen. So yeah, that's it for today. I think I forgot to tell you about one thing. is that I told you that I'll tell you guys a little more about my affirmations. I think I did tell you a little bit about my affirmations yesterday, but I think I should tell you again just because of how important it is, and especially on my period, I started realizing how important my affirmations really are. Because especially when I'm on my period, and for a lot of other girls also, we are more sensitive, we are more easily triggered, and we are more emotional. And that is why morning affirmations, telling yourself in the morning whatever it is that you need to tell yourself. Say for example, you tell yourself, I am loved, and that I am worthy, I am deserving, I am capable, I am enough, things like that. And telling them not like I just told you, but telling them with each breath, taking the breath as slowly as you can and saying it with as much belief, as much intent as you can. That helps tremendously throughout the day, because that sets a pattern for your thoughts in the morning, and it does not safeguard you from falling into negative thought patterns, but what it does do is that it solidifies your center, so that even if you do fall into some negative thought patterns, you know that this is the center and this is the thinking that is mine, that I am coming back to. So yeah, I think that is it for today's vlog, and it was a short one. My period's about to get over soon, so I'll see you guys from my mat very soon. And until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.